Hey there, today, this week we are going to be looking at soybeans, and we're going to be making some things out of soybeans in class. But today we're going to learn about them. So what I'd like you to do is you can start here by going to this website. You might want to look up a couple other ones, but this is a great place to start, and we'll give you most of the information that you need. And then you are going to collect the following information. We want to know about the uses of soybeans, planting and harvesting. How does it happen? I know that that's not on the website, so you'll have to do some searching of that, which shouldn't be too hard. Just do planting and harvesting of soybeans under Google, and I'm sure you'll find something that comes up. Processing soybeans, what do we process beans into? There's pretty distinct difference between livestock use and human use. How many bushels do we produce a year in Minnesota, and how do we rank nationally? And don't forget your pictures. So this is an awful lot of information to put on this one particular slide. So if you need to put some more on this one and copy, or write them out in here to get all your information down, that's fantastic. You can do that. And then you can go ahead and put your advertisement here. You can delete this box if you want and get rid of the soybean advertisement. Whatever you want to do, this is where your pictures go to as well. Make it look pretty, and go ahead and hit submit, and have a fantastic day.